So what can we expect for fair weather? We're hoping a little bit cooler, Anthony.
Yeah, it's going to stay nice and clear tonight, Laura, and that means our temperatures are eventually going to be falling down all the way to the lower 50s by tomorrow morning. Let's talk about current temperatures right now. Still seeing right around 77 degrees here at the fairgrounds. Lots of sunshine, and that's not going to be changing anytime soon. It's about 30 days after it launches. The telescope is going to be moving about 1 million miles outside of the Earth's atmosphere. So it is going to be going quite a distance, and that's something that we haven't really done before. This is well past the moon. This is going to be about a 5-year mission, and they're going to be studying the cosmos. So
but when you have these three guys holding it down for the last 3+ years, good things tend to happen. Trevor Lawrence is one of the best recruits ever. Travis Etienne owns the ACC rushing record books, and Amari Rodgers had his best season in 2020. But what a difference a year makes. Lawrence and Etienne are now in Jacksonville, and Rodgers in Wisconsin with the Packers. Dabo Sweeney now turns to DJ Uiagalelei, who has 5 career starts coming into today. Freshman Will Shipley in the backfield, and Justin Ross.
Let's talk about the general setup of how this usually works. So you have your magnetic field. This is what wraps around the Earth, and all of that solar wind will actually come just a little bit closer, especially at the poles. Now, this is where you can start to see all of that coloring kind of interact with the atmosphere. So you get all those particles kind of funneling down in the north as well as the south pole. So you can have the northern lights as well as the southern lights. Communication sometimes gets interrupted. Now, in the general setup, you have Earth and Mars in a clear point of view, and all those communications can go back and forth quite easily. But as we continue on through the year, Mars will actually move behind, and none of that communication can actually get through. So you get this little bit of a lull in the action, and things go into essentially sleep mode for about 2 weeks, and then things return back to normal.
Yeah, tonight's matchup is expected to be a slugfest as both teams are coming off huge region wins just last week. You can see that Burke County and Harlem. Burke County winning that game 41-7, a game people really didn't expect them to perform that well in. And right here across the pond, you can see Thompson absolutely laying the wood on Cross Creek. Now that sets up a huge and very key matchup tonight between Thompson and Burke County. Both teams undefeated in that region play.
Well, we know the current vaccines are pretty effective at preventing severe illness. Here's a look at the effectiveness of vaccines against hospitalization in ages 65 to 74. And here's another look at how effective they are in ages 75 plus. But the question remains, how long do these stay effective, and when is a booster absolutely necessary?
And if you are heading out to SRP Park tonight, it should be mostly dry. So definitely the rain chances aren't enough that would cancel your plans this evening. We have a very low chance to see a few showers the next couple of hours, but later into tonight looking much better with temps falling into the 70s. Something pretty cool later tonight. We have the International Space Station. This is going to actually fly over the CSRA later this evening. It starts at 8:55 p.m. It's going to start in the southwest sky, end in the eastern sky, and it's only going to last 4 minutes.
We'll stick to that summer-like pattern as we head toward this weekend. So if you do have any outdoor plans for your Saturday, we'll talk about temperatures in the afternoon right around 92 degrees. A chance for some of those afternoon storms. Same situation if you're heading up toward the lake. We are going to be watching those temperatures just slightly cooler, but still very sticky.
On your sideline, sports brought to you by the Hawk Law Group.
With the game everyone is waiting for tonight in Charlotte at 7:30, we've got 5th-ranked Georgia taking on 3rd-ranked Clemson. So many threads to follow in this game. You've got just down I-77 in Columbia. The Gamecocks start the Shane Beamer era off against Eastern Illinois at 7 o'clock.